Jamaica right now. We're playing some rock and roll music as we go through. For those who like this rock and roll music, you know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta switch it up, you know what I'm saying? This is foreigners living in Jamaica. Big trouble. Y'all live life. Y'all do your thing. Nobody say you can't win. Run it, go between the two truck them. Run it, my girl. Run it, don't run. I'll teach you how to run. If we say head on, we say head on. You see there, people? Welcome to the show. When you say freedom, we're going to the farm. That's where we go. We're gonna plant some trees so the little ones can have some fruits in the future. Oh yes, some breadfruit tree. Beat the hand and make them touch you. Ow! This is what Jamaica look like. Retired at age 50. That's what it looks like, baby. You know, somebody said my shows were boring. Them said there's nobody getting killed, there's no drama, there's no arguments. I said, if this is my life, I want two of this life. Peace and tranquility. I need a triple of this. I need extra. I need you to supersize this life. They said my life is boring. Does it look boring to you? Do I look like I'm bored? Or am I living the good life I predicted? I told you all. I said, dude, would I take him over up on the left side? You know, you see. You know what I say? Right now, if you live for those who have cancer. Live for those who are in the hospital. I live for my friends who have cancer. I live for those who are depressed. I dance around the fire for those who are afraid. I live for people where now live. That's why I do this show. And I give up everything, you know. And I film it and I show you that you can live too. Give it all up. If it's a zinc house, save up. You can get a Pepsi Cola chandelier. You can plant some callaloo, and you can put some soursop thing in your hair.
Pulling up.
I will pull up. I want the pinky buko. I will pull up.
My son is nice.
I will pull up my life. I want to pull up my playlist. I want give me a second chance in life. Clarkstown. This is Jamaica Good Life. We love them black and we love them brown. Watch the car. Whoa, don't mess up the words then now. Okay, no matter go too fast. Don't get too excited. When them a drive with Jamaica Good Life, them say, wow. Life is 2.0. Them never know say Randy listen to the music here. Drive slow. Life is 2.0. Yo, people, hear what we say now. Welcome to Jamaica. We live this blouse and skirt. Many want to travel with me, but it's a spiritual journey. And I just give thanks to those who watch the program, because you know what you're looking for. You're looking for peace and tranquility, while the other world is them I said this and that. We are looking for something different out of life. You saw me I said. We are looking for something different in our life. You see me? Yes. You know, they like how one man, him said they're talkers. You have people that are talkers. Them living in them apartment, them have a big car note. I'm abuse up them slave and then buy too much furniture. You're too close to this car, you don't have no space for maneuver. Give them some distance. Yeah, man, make them go on. We don't like to chuck up back up people. Give them some space, give them some room. When you're driving, you don't need to be that close. You might end up in that hole. Take your time and just cruise along. Pass them, listen to this song. People running there, they are for long. And me keep on keeping it strong. All the people them we came along. Peace and love to them. Bye! I want the selector. I'm me and the selector. I'm me around them tune here. Yo, good life sound. You know, so when I play in the mountains, I say, yeah, right, I never see you play music too. You're easy, man. You never know, so I'm not dashing, so I know things I know, me keep it sacred. Look at the big house them in Jamaica. Look at the vibration. Look at Jamaica, people. Look at Jamaica. Look at Jamaica, big mansions. Everybody say, when you keep looking for sickness, when I look for crime, when I look for killing, me I look for God's willing. You know me I say. Alright. Side, them boy are wicked, yeah. Them boy will come on your side. Look on the beauty, sir. Welcome to Jamaica. I'm here, your tour guide. Buckle up your seatbelt. Make sure say your transmission fits. Change your brake oil and your thing. And don't speed. Take heed. Send your family into your location and show them where you're going. And whatever happens tomorrow, you're in the sunshine, it's not snowing. Pick up the family, Anais. There might be no tomorrow, so just take your time and easy and enjoy right now. It's something I say. Take your time, take your time. This is a tune here I come now. Big tune from Jamaica, Good Life, one of my favorite tunes. Used to listen to this in New York City on the subway, or going to work in the buildings, having a stressful day. But now I'm driving in Jamaica on the highway. I watch I call me while music I want. I'm mad. It's a permanent.
Twist in your
ice cream. We are waiting at the end of the tunnel. I'm gonna pick up more. Some drops and some certainty and some mint and that me come for. And me not left it. Me not left my dumpling, my color look. Me not left it. Sure, I walk on me when me. Hey, back up, stack up. Nick off the head and also the clock up. Play music. No caps. A life where I live, retire age 50. Don't disturb my vibe music. When I pull up no more songs, nobody not tell me how to play my junior. Nobody not tell me how to run my sound. Nobody, hey, man, a bad man. Yo, hey, run next tune. Nobody not tell me to go back in the life. I move far. Enough more tune in the future when I go back. Hey, sure. Hey, I run it. Good life. And something I go pass it on them and know another month. You know, so some people are watching that child and say, wait, who is this guy? Watch the road. Them say, who are these people? I want to hang out with them.
I'll be running out. I need some extra rent to fix me up.
Is this Jamaica? Oh my God.
I have to cough it up. Open my wallet up, it never stops.
I didn't know they play this radio in Jamaica. I didn't know they do that.
Sucking up my drive. It makes a penny, I'm fine. But my PC is obsolete. I'll have to buy myself a brand new machine. Stick me up.
Hey!
You suck me in and then you got me hooked. You got me. There's so much stuff to buy. I need a new hard drive. It's gonna suck me dry. My 386 don't have the speed. It takes an hour just to bring up the screen.
The shots them in the carriage here. Everything.
I'm making software buys. Whoa, it's making big.
Slow down, it said. Slow down.
You make a
Slow
rich
down.
man
Horse crossing ahead. Slow down. Horses might dead.
Lord, mercy. I don't want that.
Slow down, it said. Hey! Now for good. Jamaica, good life. Hey! Wanna know about this? Wanna know about them junior? Forward. I walk out. Walk out now. Disturb the eye. No man.
Something's wrong 'cause my mind is free.
Back up. I was still a car.
Everywhere I look, there's a dead end way. Temperatures dropping at the rotten oasis.
Next tune. Hey. Come on. Welcome to the vibration delivered here. Come on. Welcome to the drive. The beehive. Where we survive. At age 50 we retire. So on fire.
Chimpanzees, I was a monkey. Butane in my veins and mouth to cut the chuggy with the plastic eyeballs. Spray paint the vegetables, dog food skulls with the beefcake pantyhose. Kill the headlights and put it in neutral. Stock car flaming with the loser and the cruise control. Babies in Reno with the vitamin D. Got a couple of couches. Sleep on the love seat. Someone keep saying all the scenes and complain about.
How full playlist this? Run it.
Believe everything that you breathe to get a funky violation and a maggot on your sleeve.
What?
Shave your face with
Come
some
on.
ace in the dark.
Ah.
Saving all your favorite stuff and put it down as
Chill apart. Nobody not call me. We
crouched at the starting line. Engines pumping and thumping in time. The green light flashes, the flags go up, churning and burning.
Forward. Yeah, man. So I have to take it to a different angle. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this Jamaica good life vibration. Take it easy, you know. Also, John Army now, money school.
Remember rap music.
Na 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 na.
Welcome to Rami.
Na 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 na.
Fire.
Hey, get the youth up and make it out. Still I do with salute and we stepping out. Baby rock and revolute when you check it out. The truth we are let it out, yeah. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it.
Them said them have a run through it. Dead body drop a ground when them done do it. Bust it, them a bust it, no kung push. And just bullet them and bump you with and conk you with. Politician them a give a damn. First thing on them Christmas is a how them coulda be surround. Now it's hopelessly grotesque. It's just a part of the process. Like all the youth them smoke says. Just the rise up high above the lies of the eyes aside. Some of them a get caught and them end up giving Christ a try. I tried to say that him die for eye. While they get the youth a die for fly. Up on the side it's unconstructive. Blood we pour from my pants and short rich. My country politicians will run this. But we better half a beg the boss man for conduct this.
One day better must come. Say we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. One day better must come. Say we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. Blood a spill like H2O when guns ring out the slums. Taking swords the ugly route, none shall escape good. Everyone's gotta pay the toll now. And it's a mission when you're living in the soldier town. Believe me, politicians want to hold us down. Believe me, create a Guinness with the vote amount. They grieve me, how them left the youth and floating round the scenery. Now them fed up and no joke around. To squeeze it in and they get away the hope no found so easy. Under the pressure can't cope, who knows it feels it. Ease my stress with a potent pound, it heal me. No make them use it like no pawn. You play the game and you get caught. In a the maze and lose your part. And when you stray out from far. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it.
Forgive me if this verse offend you.
Food for thought, we are served the menu.
Get a good start, them a work for end you.
Lock off the dance and we are work the venue.
Then you go lock up a youth for your stock.
Revolution time, our truth we attack.
We take it to the ghetto where the Uzi a spark.
Street side college, them a shoot in a class.
Them a shoot for your clocks again.
And I break the law, you wear a suit like Gargamel.
Now the woman them a ball as well.
Baby father I'm gone, soon as the belly start as well.
But the better days soon be here. Come watch mama bang her belly through the years.
So make sure say the food for the youth prepare. When the Gideon start, tell Babylon to beware. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell you get accustomed to it. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. Get the youth up and make it out. Feel like the salute and we stepping out. Baby rock and revolute when you check it out. The truth when you let it out, yeah. Get the youth up and make it out. Feel like we salute and we stepping out. Baby rock and revolute when you check it out. The truth when you let it out, yeah.
Jamaica right now, yeah man. St. Anne's right there, beautiful water. Yes, people. Yeah, this is Jamaica, you know, swallow vibe and take it easy.